Welcome to our exploration of the SHV file format, a topic of interest for both seasoned and aspiring sewing aficionados. Let's delve into the world of embroidery and the evolution of the digital formats that bring such intricate designs to life. At the heart lies the SHV file format, a remarkable creation by the esteemed sewing machine manufacturer Husqvarna Viking. With a legacy dating back to the year 1689 in the picturesque town of Husqvarna, Sweden, Husqvarna Viking has established its reputation through the production of superior quality sewing machines adorned with beautiful embroidery, a testament to their dedication to craftsmanship. As pioneers in the fusion of traditional sewing with cutting-edge technology, Husqvarna Viking ingeniously integrated computer systems into their machines. This innovative leap in the early 1990s heralded the birth of the SHV Embroidery Format, tailored to meet the specific requirements of their embroidery machines, enhancing the potential for creativity and precision in embroidery designs. Diving into the technical aspects, the SHV Embroidery Format is astonishing in its ability to encapsulate complex instructions in a binary code of ones and zeros, a language understood by computers and Husqvarna Viking embroidery machines alike. Within each SHV file, the encoded data meticulously outlines every nuance of the embroidery design, such as color palettes, stitch types, sequences, and layout specifics, ensuring flawless execution in the finished product. One of the key advantages of this format is its capacity for storing elaborate designs in compact file sizes, facilitating the creation of expansive and ornate patterns without overwhelming your device's memory. Yet, you might wonder, does the SHV file format remain popular in today's ever-expanding world of embroidery? It does, but with a nuanced presence. True, Husqvarna Viking's embroidery machines compatible with the SHV format continue to be in circulation. Nonetheless, the company has embraced additional file formats, including PES, DST, and JEF, which are more universally accepted and enable the use of a broader array of machines, ensuring that everyone can partake in the joy of embroidery. However, the purists who cherish the unique compatibility and optimal results of Husqvarna Viking machines often gravitate towards the SHV format. When you opt for the format designed for your machine, you're likely to achieve perfect stitching every time. On a final note, if you don't happen to own a Husqvarna Viking, all is not lost. Thanks to the innovative solutions provided by conversion software, those intricate SHV files can be translated into other formats, bridging the gap between machine languages and expanding the horizons for your creative expressions. In essence, whether you are loyal to Husqvarna Viking or have a different brand of embroidery machine, the SHV file format, steeped in history, innovation, and precision, opens a gateway to a world of beautiful, detailed embroidery that can adorn anything from personal keepsakes to high-end fashion. With conversion tools readily available, the SHV file format becomes a universally accessible treasure trove for the enthusiastic embroiderer. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.